Hi, welcome! At DanscooL Online, we are offering beginners to advanced students a series of 8 videos of many dance styles and fitness workouts such as yoga, Pilates, Zumba, abs and back workouts, African, Brazilian, salsa, and more.
As a professional dancer, if I can't go to a studio to take class because of lack of time or work, I could take a top-level hip-hop or house dance class on my own at DanscooL Online. Also, just before a show or an audition, I could take a yoga class, a warm-up, or an ab and back workout to prepare my body for a full high-level performance. I really like all of my options here.
5, 8.
You know, it's difficult to find a real beginner class, but here, the method of breaking down the routine from video 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the choreography gets more challenging by video 5 and 6. The 8 videos are a great way to learn how to dance by building from simple routines that turn into more and more challenging moves, and you can improve at your own pace.
If I'm not in the mood to dance, but looking for a quick workout, then DanscooL makes it easy with a choice of 15 or 25-minute fitness classes. There are a series of videos that will help to target the specific areas that I want to.
As someone who's been dancing for a long time, I can skip beginner videos and study from the advanced videos 6, 7, and 8. If I struggle with certain moves, I can study from earlier, more broken down videos for better detail of the movements. I also really appreciate that the video has 2 windows, a front and a back view, almost as if I was behind the teacher in the studio. Having both views makes me learn rapidly. I love it.
Keep that bend. Keep up the heart.
I really like how I can study a video and then take a Zoom class of the same video where the teacher gives me personal corrections. And the cool thing is to be in class with other students virtually from all around the world, and we can connect with the teacher, ask questions, laugh, and really get to know the person behind the video.
I've taken both the in-studio classes and the Zoom classes, so from DanscooL Video Library, I can take my time to study the steps and the routine on my own. After that, I feel really confident taking the in-studio classes because I don't struggle with the movements or need to memorize the routine, and that way I can just fine-tune what I already know. And of course, the best thing is the live drumming.